process to become an Amazon affiliate is very easy, and I'm gonna show you step by step on how to apply. But first of all, let me give you a quick data of why you should become an Amazon affiliate. Amazon has a huge selection of products that you can promote. They are also one of the most trustworthy companies to buy from due to their great customer service, range of products, and very fast shipping. And one great thing about being an Amazon affiliate is once a customer clicks in your link, a cookie will be added to their browser. This cookie stays for 24 hours and tracks any purchases that the customer makes on Amazon. So even if the customer decides they don't want to buy now but comes back later, you get a percentage of any purchase that the customer makes in that 24 hours. So suppose you are promoting a camera and the customer clicks in your link and decides to buy that product plus products that you are not promoting, like diaper, makeup, hair products. So you're gonna get a commission, like a percentage of all these products that the customer bought. Hi there, my name is Sue Ellen, but you can call me Sue, and today I'm gonna go over on how to set up your Amazon affiliate account, how to get the links, the affiliate links for the products that you wanna promote, what is the commission for each category, and how you can start like promoting these products, these affiliate links. So how to set up your Amazon affiliate account? The first step is to type Amazon affiliate on Google, then click on the first link. This is the page. So you can sign up, recommend, and earn. So you click on sign up. Here you can use your Amazon account, or if you don't have, you can create one. So after you sign up, you're gonna get to this page. In the first tab, you're gonna basically add your account information, like your name and your home address or business address. Here in the website and mobile app list, you're required to add at least one website or mobile app. So I'm gonna add my YouTube channel and my Instagram. And then you hit next. So after you click next, we are going to the profile section. Here you need to let Amazon know what's your preferred associate store ID, what are your website and mobile apps about, like just write a small description about your website or mobile apps. Which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile apps? Here you have lots of categories that you can choose. Mine, I would say it's business and also education, and you can also add another topic. What type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your website or mobile app? I would say for me, books, electronics, and computer and office. What type are your websites or mobile apps? Mine, I would say the first one, content and niche website. The second one, search. I also would say blog. And you can also add another type. How do you drive traffic to your website? Mine, I would say email, social networks, SEO, and blogs. But it's your strategy, like what do you use? How do you utilize your websites and app to generate income? So I use e-commerce, CJ, eBay, affiliate program, and other affiliate programs. And you can also add another. How do you usually build links? I usually do manually via text editor. how many total unique visitors do your website and apps get per month? Mine, I would say 500 to 5,000. What's your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? Mine, to monetize my site. You can also add other. And how did you hear about us? Through online search. Remember, all these questions are personal to you. So ask yourself, what is your niche and which strategies are you going to use to monetize your site or your social medias? And then you hit finish. After you click finish, you're going to go to this section, start using Associates Central. And they're basically gonna tell you congratulations, and you have access to your affiliate account. If they have any questions, they will contact you, and they also let you know that you have 180 days to make one sale. So if you don't make any sale in 180 days, you're gonna unfortunately lose your account. So how to get the affiliate links for the products that you want to promote? So first of all, go to your Amazon affiliate account, then click on Home, and here you can type any product that you like to promote. I'm gonna type Sony VZ1 camera. Here you can see some of the listings. I'm gonna promote the first one. So on the right, you can click on Get Link, then text only, then short link. Here you can copy and paste in your blog or YouTube channel, for example. So another way to get the affiliate link is to go to your Amazon buyer account. Then you type the name of the product that you like to promote, and you can choose any of these listings. I'm gonna choose the first one, and then you click on text, and then you can copy the short link and paste where I would like to paste. And what is the commission for each category? So first of all, it's important to know that it can vary between 0% and 10%. And the luxury beauty, luxury store beauty, and Amazon coins category, they have the highest in commission, which is 10%. And how can you start promoting these links? I explained more in detail on how to start affiliate marketing in my last video, but basically you need to choose a niche, then a platform like YouTube or blog, and then you create high quality content around your niche where your affiliate links will fit naturally. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments below what's your niche and which strategy you're gonna use to monetize your blog or YouTube channel. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online.